Hey everyone, welcome back to the Elegancepreneur channel. So you've built your first AI agent, awesome. But now comes the real challenge, training it to perform well. In this video, I'll share my top tips and best practices for training your AI agent effectively. Let's get started. First, what does it mean to train an AI agent? Training is the process of teaching your AI to perform specific tasks by feeding it data and allowing it to learn patterns. Think of it like teaching a child, except your AI learns much faster. Whether you're training a chatbot, a recommendation system, or a self-driving car, the principles are the same: data, algorithms, and iteration. Tip number 1, start with high-quality data. Garbage in, garbage out. Your AI agent is only as good as the data you feed it. Tip number 1, start with high-quality data. Garbage in, garbage out. Your AI agent is only as good as the data you feed it. Make sure your data is accurate, relevant, and well organized. Remove duplicates, fix errors, and ensure it's representative of the problem you're solving. For example, if you're training a chatbot, use real customer conversations, not random text. Tip number 2, choose the right algorithm. Not all AI problems are the same, so pick an algorithm that fits your specific use case. For instance, use neural networks for image recognition decision trees for classification tasks or reinforcement learning for game-playing agents. Don't be afraid to experiment to find what works best. Tip number 3, save time with transfer learning. Why start from scratch when you can build on existing models? Leverage pre-trained models like OpenAI's GPT or Google's BERT. Fine-tune them with your own data to achieve great results faster. This is especially useful if you have limited data or computing resources. Tip number 4, monitor and evaluate performance. Training isn't a one-and-done process. It requires constant tweaking. Use metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall to measure how well your AI agent is performing. If it's not meeting your goals, go back and adjust your data, algorithm, or training parameters. Tip number 5, avoid overfitting. This is when your AI agent performs well on training data but poorly on new, unseen data. To prevent overfitting, use techniques like cross-validation, regularization, and early stopping. These help ensure your AI agent generalizes well to real-world scenarios. To prevent overfitting, use techniques like cross-validation, regularization, and early stopping. These help ensure your AI agent generalizes well to real-world scenarios. Bonus tip, keep learning and iterating. AI is a fast-evolving field and there's always room for improvement. Stay updated with the latest research, experiment with new techniques, and don't be afraid to retrain your AI agent as new data becomes available. And that's it! Training an AI agent takes time and effort, but with these tips and best practices, you'll be well on your way to building a smart, reliable system. And that's it! Training an AI agent takes time and effort, but with these tips and best practices, you'll be well on your way to building a smart, reliable system. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tutorials. And let me know in the comments, what's the most challenging part of training your AI agent? I'd love to hear from you. Timecode 02220000 end.